All-in-one detailing products are a great way to achieve correction, finishing, and protection in a single step. These versatile products are designed to tackle moderate to light defects, giving your car a glossy finish while also laying down a protective layer. For top-tier performance, opt for professional-grade all-in-ones. These offer a great balance of cutting power, protection, and ease of use. They're especially handy for express detail packages, delivering fast and impressive results without the need for extensive correction work. Some all-in-one products offer long-lasting protection, which is perfect for maintaining your car's appearance year-round, while some options offer extended protection, making them ideal for year-round car care. But it's not just for pros. DIY enthusiasts can also benefit from all-in-one products, especially for those minor imperfections on daily drivers. Whether you're refreshing your car's finish, prepping for a lease return, or getting your car ready for sale, an all-in-one product can save you time and effort while providing excellent protection.